We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, in this video we will learn about angle plate jig. Few points I would like to highlight that we will learn from this video. Application of angle plate jig, construction of angle plate jig. In construction we will learn about how details of each part and how it's function, and then we will learn design of angle plate jig steps by step and working of angle plate jig. So first I have designed an angle plate with reference to this component. So this is a component for which I have designed an angle plate. So angle plate jig is basically used where locating surface of component and drilling surface is at 90 degree. So here this is a locating surface. This is a locating surface and this is a surface at where we want to drill hole. So this component is located here, and at 90 degree we will drill 2 holes with the help of jig bush. So this is an angle plate in which this is a locating surface. Here we have used one locating device to locate this component, and we have used a clamping knob to clamp this component, and function of jig bush is to guide the drilling tool. Drill tool will pass through this hollow portion of jig bush and drill 2 holes at certain distance. So this is a assembly of a component, an angle plate jig. Component is located at this surface with the help of locating device, and clamping is done with the help of L-shaped clamp and knob. Here 2 jig bush is located. So this is a assembly of component and jig. From assembly we can see that all the 6 degree of freedom of component is restricted by the help of locating device and clamping knob. So this is a 2-dimensional design of component in which we want to drill 2 holes of 10 mm diameter at center distance of 20 mm. This is a locating surface, this is a front view, and this is top view. So for this component we will design angle plate jig. So first, this is a construction of component. From design of component we can see that there is already drilled hole of 10 mm radius, means 20 mm diameter hole is already drilled. Total length of component is 85 mm and width of component is 30 mm. So this is a construction of a component. Now to design angle plate jig we need to first understand assembly of angle plate jig. Here component is located at surface of angle plate jig with the help of clamping knob locating device. We have used quick acting knob as a locating device. An L-shape clamping knob is used to clamp the component or to resist the component against the cutting force. From design we can see that here jig bush is located. So first we will design jig bush. To design jig bush we have 5 equations, that is of internal diameter of jig bush, external or outer diameter of bush, head diameter, head thickness and length of bush. So equation of inner diameter is d plus 0.025 mm, where d is 10 mm. 10 mm is the hole we want to drill with the help of angle plate jig. So putting the value of d in all 5 equations, we will get inner diameter as 10.025, outer diameter as 15, head diameter as 20, total length or height of the bush will be 25 mm, and thickness or head thickness of jig bush will be 6.25 mm. Material of bush is always selected as tool steel, and here we will use 2 numbers of bush. So this is design of jig bush. Now from assembly we can see that jig bush is located here. So first we will find thickness of this angle plate. So thickness will be length of jig bush minus head thickness of bush, that we can clearly see from assembly. So length of bush is 25 mm, and from that when we subtract head thickness of bush, that is 6.25, we will get thickness of angle plate, that is 18.75. So we have now derived the thickness as 18.75 mm. Now we can understand this width of angle plate will be 30 plus 18.75, that is the thickness of angle plate. 30, we have selected width of angle plate as 30 because width of component is also 30 mm. Now we will select length of top plate as 95 mm because job length is 85 mm, plus we have put 10 mm extra clearance to locate the clamping knob of 10 mm diameter. And vertical height we have selected 100 mm, so this height is at of 100 mm. We can select less height also, but we need to consider the strength of the design. We have selected 100 mm. So this now we have derived all the dimension of this angle plate. Now we will design clamping knob. So generally clamping device and locating device is directly selected, or we can adopt the dimension. We are not going to formulate the dimension. We will directly select or adopt the design of clamping knob as per our requirement. So we have used a M8 clamping knob, L-shape clamping knob. Is 8 is the diameter of this knob, and M means metric thread of this L-shape knob. We have used a metric thread. This knob is of 20 mm diameter, and this diameter is 16 mm, an internal thread of 8 mm that will be fit to this threaded part, and there is also a metric thread. Length of clamping knob is 26.75. So function of clamping knob is to rigidly hold the workpiece against a cutting force. After designing clamping knob, we will design locating device. We have used quick acting knob as a locating device. So this threaded portion will be fitted to the angle plate, and at this portion component is supported, and after supporting component we will clamp or locate the component or lock the component with the use of this knob, that is quick acting knob. So 18.75 mm is the length of this part, because component or angle plate have thickness of 18.75 mm. So this threaded part have length of 18.75. We have used metric thread on this 10 mm diameter. So this 10 mm diameter and 18.75 mm length part will be supported on the clamp on the angle plate. Now this part have total width of 30 mm, because component width is 30 mm. So 30 mm width component will be supported at this portion, and this internal thread is of 10 mm diameter, and this part will be locked with this knob. So this is the design of clamping knob and a locating device. Locating device is used to locate the workpiece against a cutting force. So this is design of all part of angle plate jig. So finally this assembly is prepared, and after locating jig bush, drill tool will pass through one by one from this jig bush and drill hole of 10 mm diameter. So this is the design of angle plate jig. If you have any question, please ask in comment box. Thank you.